Hello and welcome back to Think Code & More. So today what I'm going to be doing is showing you guys how to install Python for Visual Studio Code and just a bit of code with it. So yeah, let's get into it. So let's see, I'm going to just open up Visual Studio Code right here. And here we have a new project. I'll just copy this and make a new file and paste this code in. So here I will explain what is in this in a tiny bit. Before we do anything with this code, we actually need to go to our extensions, which is this button right here, and search up Python. You'll see this to the star. So if we were to search up Python here, the one with a star is the specific one you want. And it's made by Microsoft here. Not like ones like that. And it has 32 million downloads, which is a lot. Once you've done that, you actually need one more thing. Let me go open up a browser tab. And here we have that. So let's search up python.org. And you want to go to downloads and download Python. And download it, whatever you want, and install Python. Once that is done, then in Visual Studio Code here, you'll just want to go to your file, and here, what this code is saying is instead of public void or func in other languages, it's a function. Def for definition of the function, and here we have the function name, and here we have the parameters. We have number 1 and number 2. All we're doing here is print the sum of number 1 and number 2. There are no semicolons required here. And the way, instead of using curly brackets, which most people are probably used to, you have a colon. And Visual Studio Code is kind enough just to provide what is inside this function. And then once you click enter, once you add a space in between your function and your actual code, that will separate the function and the code so you can actually call the function here and add in the parameters. As you can see, I added 1 and 2. So I'll just click save, and let's call this adding numbers YouTube. And then make sure you save as type Python. Click save. Now it should be whatever you name it, and then .py or py. We can just click the run icon that's right here, and if we were to look down here, here we have where the file is stored, what the file's name is, and the output. Let's just say if I were to do 21 plus 21, and I'm just putting space there just to, one, make the code easier to read, and it's just more clean. So now, if I were to do this, we have a error. Because, well, I don't know if you saw what I did there. I meant to actually do 21 and 21. There we go. That was a small little error. Now we got 42. What I did there was I accidentally put what we're supposed to print inside as the arguments, which didn't actually make sense. But I was actually meant to just change the numbers. So yeah, that's basically it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and leave a comment down below if you guys want more Python videos or just Python tutorials in general. So yeah, bye.